Prosecutor Jim Trusty. And Jim, this is something else. I mean, really hanging on his every word. What stands out to you at the outset?
Well, a couple of things. I mean, the remarkable amount of detail. You know, it's funny. At the end, Jeff Gray, the prosecutor, gave a little bit of a civics lesson about how prosecutors don't try their case in the press and then we wait to court. But he was this long after a very, very detailed probable cause statement. And the reality is those statements don't have to be quite as detailed as it was. You can summarize and still have enough for probable cause. So he kind of has the best of both worlds. I'm afraid in the long run, he's going to see a motion to change venue, which is almost automatic in death penalty cases of high profile. But he probably fueled that fire a little bit. If I'm a defense attorney on that case, I'm talking about how he gave all these vivid details, didn't have to. And you point to the case of the Boston Marathon bomber, Zarniev, whose death penalty recently got reversed by the Court of Appeals because of the pretrial publicity problem in picking a jury. So, you know, it's a great moment for all of us that just want the satisfaction that this is a strong case and that they've got the right guy and a very quick decision to pursue the death penalty. But in the long run, there are going to be some issues from having that much detail out in the public.
Okay, here's more now from Jeff Gray, the district attorney there in Utah County.
Roommate, why? Robinson, why did I do it? Roommate, yeah. Robinson, I had enough of his hatred. Some hate can't be negotiated out. If I am able to grab my rifle unseen, I will have left no evidence.
Jim, when it goes to motive, you heard the question from our colleague Garrett Tenney in the room there. And it appeared what the prosecutor was trying to relay there was remarks from his own parents that he became increasingly more trans in dating his roommate. Do you see this as the driving motivation as you heard that charging document read there?
I mean, I hate to crawl inside somebody's head that's capable of such an evil thing and pretend I have any sort of, gospel knowledge of what he's thinking. But it does look that this was a political assassination, these warped ideologies of him in particular living with his boyfriend, thinking that somehow this is justifiable or righteous to do what he did. Again, it's a terrible world to crawl into that sort of head, but that motive seems pretty strong. The evidence is going to be powerful, and the presence of the death penalty bill really kind of warps the calculation on how you try this case if you're the defense. I think if this evidence holds up, you're talking about a slow plea rather than a hard-fought battle on guilt and innocence.
Okay, Jim, thank you. Jim Trusty getting his quick evaluation of what we just listened to. Thank you, Jim. We'll speak again later in the week, okay?
Hey, Sean Hannity here. Hey, click here to subscribe to Fox News YouTube page and catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis. You will not get it anywhere else.